Hey crypto enthusiasts! Lately, I've been exploring a bunch of different crypto trading platforms. I've tried some popular ones, some new startups, and honestly, many just didn't live up to the hype or were way too complicated. But recently, I stumbled upon a platform called Arbivex, and it really caught my attention. This is a next-level AI-powered trading platform designed specifically for Canadian investors, aiming to make crypto investing smarter, easier, and stress-free. Now, here's the exciting part. I've been given a special invite link for you, the viewers, which comes with an exclusive welcome bonus. This bonus is available only through this link, so if you want to get started and make the most out of Arbivex's potential, be sure to click the link in the description below. Register through it, claim your bonus, and unlock all the features of the platform. What makes Arbivex stand out is its full automation. You don't have to be glued to your screen watching price charts or trying to time the market perfectly. The platform's AI works around the clock, scanning global crypto markets in real time to identify the most profitable trading opportunities. It then executes those trades automatically on your behalf, all without requiring any manual input or technical know-how. This means that even if you've never traded crypto before, you can potentially start earning daily profits. Users have reported earning anywhere between 100 and 500 Canadian dollars daily, depending on market conditions, with some even achieving monthly returns up to 70%. That kind of performance, combined with the hands-off, fully automated experience, makes Arbivex one of the most promising crypto tools available in Canada today. And it's not just about profits. Arbivex is built with security and compliance in mind. It adheres to all Canadian regulations, including FinTrack, CRA requirements, KYC, and AML protocols. Your personal data and funds are protected by military-grade encryption and advanced security measures, ensuring you can trade with confidence. The platform integrates smoothly with leading exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken, making setup fast and simple. You just link your crypto wallet, activate the trading bot, and let the AI do the rest. Plus, if you ever need help or have questions, there's a dedicated support team based right here in Canada, available 24/7 to guide you no matter your experience level. Now for something exciting. I've got a unique invite link reserved specifically for you, along with an exclusive bonus. This bonus can only be claimed through this link, so if you want to start strong and take full advantage of Arbivex, don't forget to click the link in the description. Register and secure your bonus to unlock all the platform's capabilities. Whether you're just starting out or already investing in crypto, Arbivex offers a smart, secure, and fully automated way to grow your portfolio without the usual stress and hassle. Don't miss this chance to put advanced AI technology to work for your crypto investments. Click the link, claim your bonus, and take that first step toward hassle-free, automated crypto trading with Arbivex, Canada's trusted AI-powered crypto bot.